thought the encaustic segment that Paula showed us was so cool, and I wanted a chance to play myself. So one of the things I did is I took a bunch of tags, which you can see here. You can easily cut those out of paper with a die cut, with scissors, with a punch, however you'd like. And each of these is decorated with a little heart and some little stripes and all sorts of stuff, and it's an easy way to decorate a journal of any kind. You could also easily do a card that way. So here's what I have discovered when I was playing around. I am working on a glass mat, and I have my wax block, and I am now just simply putting this in, and I'm letting that wax get sucked into the channel. And then I'm going to draw with it anything that I want. And I just keep dipping in and getting more wax on there and going slowly. The thing is, I think the tendency sometimes is to go a little bit fast because you get impatient. But I have had the most success going nice and slow, thinking of it as doodling just with a different medium. Instead of a pen, I have got this wonderful encaustic tool. So I'm just moving around. And the nice thing too is, let's say on this blue paper, you want it to be a little bit more colorful. You just do a second layer, and there you go. There's that color coming up a little bit brighter. So just remember, patience is important. Patience is a virtue, as they say, though not necessarily my strong suit. And here you go. I have a heart started. Now I can certainly layer in another color, and I like it when the colors mix a little bit. I don't have to be too careful, so this should hopefully be, there you go, there's that nice color in there. And I'm just gonna play around and have some fun with it right there. Very cool. And you can layer over on top of things, because I can easily do stripes right through there, and look how opaque that is. I do want to show you one extra little tip. By the way, always remember to put this hot tool right onto your stand, and then you'll always have it out of the way. Which is, if you want to change the tips on your machine, and this is a cool one, to, like, let's say this trowel tip, it simply screws in just like this. Couldn't be easier. The only thing you have to make sure is that your tool is actually cool, because you don't want to burn yourself. So don't forget to scrapbook from your point of view.